Hey guys, so I'm in kind of a mood right now because try to forget about that for now. I'm gonna be transforming into an e-girl today because this is a trend, you know, that's happening. It's been happening. I'm a little late, but if you don't have TikTok, basically there was this thing on TikTok about people turning into e-girls. I thought, since it's a kind of a thing, you know, I would do a video of me turning into an e-girl just for funsies. It probably won't be super long or anything, but yeah, I've already done some of my makeup, most of it, but we're gonna do the eye look, and then we're gonna do the lips and all the other stuff, but we're gonna do something colorful because e-girls do that, I guess. I don't know, like, I guess you could kind of say, like, my style is kind of like e-girl, but it's not like as dark as the ones that you see. I don't know. Orange? Okay, sure. Oh my god, yo. Can you guys tell I'm mad? Like, I don't know. I'm really trying to hold it in, but literally my anxiety is like wow. I look so happy. Wish you had me. I just took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100%. I got boy, yeah, I do got boy problems. Good at him. Now you're holding me back, and that's the sound. My man great till they gotta be great. Next we're gonna do eyeliner, cause you can't be an e-girl without. This is just not my day. We're gonna be using eyeliner and do winged eyeliner, so I'm gonna do that. I'm back and I have the eyes done. Let's do some tings. Now we're gonna do blush. If you guys didn't know, e-girls have lots of blush, so.
We're gonna pack this on, baby.
And I hate that brush, so we're gonna switch this one. I already did bronzer. I might do a little more just to go over it. Look at. Oh no, ma'am. I literally do not know what that is, but okay. Oh yeah, I'm also gonna add some glitter. I'll try this with eyeliner. I'm not an artist, okay? That one was so much easier. They're not exactly the same, but don't really care, so. E-girl be like around here. Oh, it's getting everywhere. So let's line our lips. Okay guys, so we have to do the hair now. My makeup's pretty much done, and then after the hair, we're gonna go to the outfit. And I have the perfect e-girl outfit, I think. To be honest, I need to go shopping, but you know what, it's fine. Rush your lunches, baby. Scrunchies. Oh my god, I freaking didn't do highlight. What the heck?
I can't
guys, so here's my e-girl look. How did I do? I think I did pretty good. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe down below. We just hit 2K last night. Well, probably not when you watch this. The night before I made this video, I hit 2K on YouTube, so thank you guys so much for that, and I also hit 5K on TikTok. So yeah, thank you guys so very much. You can follow me on all my social medias down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye guys!